The Penfield Children's Center's vans are now equipped with backup warning devices. And they don't just beep, they talk to you.
Children respond better to voice messages rather than sensory sounds, which are the things that they're already familiar with all these video games.
Wiley's company, ATWEC, says the device can help prevent backover accidents, even when the driver cannot see directly behind the vehicle.
Our approach is to let the system warn the pedestrian, and through that voice command that person hears, it's actually telling them that this guy is backing up.
Penfield Center vans have been equipped with another ATWEC device for about 2 years. Kitty Alert makes sure that the van and bus drivers check for passengers every time they turn off their engine.
That ignition turns on, that system needs to be activated, whether we have a kid in the van or not, because we don't know the situation. So each time that vehicle turns on, that system is actually activated.
The driver must move to the back of the van to turn off the alarm, so every seat gets checked and no one gets left behind in the vehicle. State Senator Spencer Cogg says he'd like to see the devices on all school buses and vans. In the meantime, ATWEC is distributing Kitty Alert and Kitty Voice devices.
And we've been donating systems to every child care center here in the state of Wisconsin.
Just in time for back to school. Gus Ganorski, Fox 6 News.